Hello, everyone. Welcome to Edem Codes YouTube Channel, where we talk about anything that has to do with building solutions for businesses using various technological platforms, which you get to see in a minute. This video is just a brief introduction into what the channel is going to be about. Without not wasting so much time, we just get straight into it. So what you'll be finding here on this channel is how we are going to be creating project use case scenarios, building the project plan, building the Shopify solutions. Well, not necessarily just Shopify, but other technological platforms. As you can see from there, you have Microsoft, we have Basecamp, we have VS Code, we have Canva, and a whole lot more in the pipeline. And we'll be talking about general vlog chats and how these things come together and are pieced together. So basically, that's what you'll be finding on this channel. Who is this channel for? Is it for someone who's looking for personal interest, someone who is looking into starting a business, or someone who just wants to learn how to do certain things with technology? So when it comes to idea generation, a lot of businesses, just start off from creating an idea, having that idea, that spark, and then how to bring it into life. They don't know how. But this channel is going to be talking about how idea generation is translated into solutions, and not necessarily just talking about creating solutions, but we also show how to incorporate the building of that solution in the various technological platforms that are out there, i.e., for instance, developing a website or developing an app or developing a Shopify team. And some people might as well just be needing some experience. So they have the theoretical knowledge and they want to know how they can demonstrate to a recruiter that they have these specific skills. And for instance, if you walk through this channel's guides on how solutions are being built, you can copy and paste basically what's been done here and then create your own portfolio. And that can be a way of bridging the gap to show that you just don't know the theory. You also know how to bring it into life. That would show a recruiter or whoever you have some business with in terms of showing what you're capable of, that you know how to do what you're talking about. And as well, we do some freelance stuff as well, in the sense that if you have some solutions that you need to be built, you can, contact the team and we can help you with that. And next up is the content types. So content types what are some of the things that you'll be seeing on this channel? When you say building solutions, what way are you going to be showing them? So they're basically, like for instance, in the context of Shopify, whereby we are creating maybe a customer store for a business which has certain needs that needs to be put out there. This is how you'll be seeing solutions being built. So you'll be creating a store, editing themes, and then creating user experiences for users to be able to add products to carts and check out and buy. For some instances, there might be some solutions that cannot be brought into life using basic default themes. So we might need to go to the back end and do some editing. And that's where you'd see some walkthrough guide on the kinds of content that you'll be seeing on this channel. I take inspiration from a whole lot of sources. For instance, how do I come up with ideas? Like, we all know about the advent of ChatGPT, where you can ask this AI about anything that you ever want to do and it will give you an idea on what to do. So like, for instance, I'm telling the AI that I want to build a Shopify store and it gives me a whole project that I can use. And this is one major source of creating ideas that we can use to build solutions on that can be actually applicable to certain use case scenarios in your business. And it's not just about talking about creating the idea. How do you build the solutions? What key areas are you looking at? So you're looking at maybe if it's a web design that's needed for a store, if it's an app that's needed for a store, if it's a whole digital marketing plan that needs to be created for a certain business. You'll be seeing those walkthrough guides on how those are actually built and implemented. And as far as measurement and key metrics are concerned, we can also demonstrate that. And like I said, I also watched someone doing certain stuff on YouTube, and that gave me the idea that I could actually do it. So some of the people that I have actually been following, which are very resourceful, are Ed Codes and Coding with Yan. If you look into YouTube for any Shopify tutorials on building any kind of solutions, they're the best bet. They're the guys with the real good content that shows you step to step on how to do certain things, which I plan to emulate. Yeah, so this is the boring bit that a lot of people don't like, but for the sake of the channel, it's something that we actually need. We need you to like the videos, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you get any content updates from the channel. And you might be wondering, so why am I actually asking you to like the channel when it's only having, what, so far just 2 videos? Let me be very convincing in the next phase of this presentation. So this channel seems to have a great value proposition that is targeted to certain audiences. So we'll have a look at why I want you to like the channel, subscribe to the channel, or hit the notification button. So I plan to offer certain value that could make a great impact in whatever you're doing, if it's a business or if you're a college student and you're looking for experience, you're looking to create a portfolio. This would be the ideal channel that you can watch and, copy and paste some of the solutions we build here to show whoever is a stakeholder what you're capable of. I am not 100% a Shopify expert, but I do believe that I do have some level of Shopify experience in which you can trust me. The videos are being created. They show step-by-step guides, which I can walk you through the process of creating custom solutions using the various technological platforms that I will be talking about or demonstrating. And we normally use real world examples where I'll use examples to show how businesses have successfully implemented some of these technological solutions and how you can do the same in your use case scenario. And I do offer a unique perspective into coming up with these solutions because of my background in humanities, business, and IT. I offer a unique perspective on how to use some of these technologies to solve real world business problems. And sometimes we do create customized solutions where there's already a built store, but there's just key functionality that it needs that at the moment, if you try to use the no code approach to resolve them, there's just that limitation where we actually need to go deep down to find a way to create that customized solution. That walkthrough guide are some of the things that you'll be finding on this channel. And I also plan to clearly communicate the way I am talking about building the solutions throughout my videos, making it easy for you to understand complex concepts and processes. But if you ever find something that is not understood, you can always put it in the comment section and I might come back to it and give some more details on that, maybe in the subsequent video. And I plan to be as resourceful as I am. So if there is a link to something that I had used, I'll definitely provide it in the description section. If there is some helpful articles and tools that are free that have used to build some of the solutions, I'll definitely leave those descriptions and then links in the comment section or in the description section. And if you ever want to learn more about some of the things I talk about that you haven't found any reasonable knowledge out there, you can always send me a private chat or you can always put in the comment section. And we always try to stay up to date with the various technologies. I'll keep you up to date with the latest technological platform on place so you can stay ahead of the curve and keep your business running smoothly. And I'd like to be as engaging as I can in terms of creating engaging and informative content that will keep you interested in coming back for more. And I am generally passionate about helping businesses to succeed. More importantly, because I'll do everything I can to help you achieve your goals. I hope you find the idea of success. Success only comes to people who, are intentional about it. If you have an idea that you want to put into fruition, you have to get up, learn, and then actually be practical about it before you can see it into fruition. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the notification button, and then be constantly notified of the solutions that we are building on this channel. And who knows, your idea might just come to life. Thanks again, and thank you for watching this video today. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.